A 47-year-old driver, who sustained injuries, has been transported to the Costa del Sol hospital in Marbella. The incident occurred in the early hours of Sunday, January 21, when the driver's car veered off the road and descended 20 meters down an embankment on Avenida del Sol in Benalmádena, right in front of the Mirador de Carvajal residential development. Numerous calls were received by the 112 Andalusia Emergency Services Control Room around 12:40 a.m., reporting the incident after the vehicle collided with the crash barrier and fell down the embankment. The Emergency Coordination Center mobilized the fire brigade, local police, Guardia Civil, and ambulance services, who subsequently transported the injured driver to the Costa del Sol hospital in Marbella. The exact reasons behind the crash remain unknown at this time.